So before start the actual project explanation, I request you please subscribe my channel. So you can see on the screen up till now I have uploaded more than 66 video on Raspberry Pi. The Raspberry Pi with IoT, that is all this video. Then also IoT with Arduino, all this video are 26. And recently we started the new series on the PIC microcontroller. Before that I also cover the project on the Python web application. So if you want to learn Python, IoT, Raspberry Pi, Arduino, PIC from the scratch and from freely, then please subscribe my channel, please support me. And the most important part is whatever the code I have explained, whatever the project I have created on this YouTube channel, all these projects are freely available. You no need to pay anything for this project. So just if only point is you should watch complete video and you should follow my process. So if you want to learn something from the scratch and freely, then support me and please subscribe my channel and please click on like button. Hello friend, in today's video we will learn how we can design and develop a IoT based smart parking system project by using Arduino, IR sensor, ultrasonic sensor, ESP8266 and mobile application. So before start the next part, I would like to tell you the same project I have designed and developed by using Raspberry Pi. So if you want same project by using Raspberry Pi, then please watch my Raspberry Pi video. The Raspberry Pi video thumbnail you can see on the screen. Also link given in the description. Okay, before start the next part, I would like to tell you what will be the flow of this project. So you can see on the screen we have the two IR sensor, we have the ultrasonic sensor, we have the ESP8266 Wi-Fi chip and also Android application. So when let's say if the car come in front of this ultrasonic sensor, then gate will be open and gate will be closed. After that, if the car park in the parking slot, then the parking status will be displayed on the LCD also. Slot 1 status, so slot 2 status. And as soon as at the same time the slot status will be changed on the mobile application. So you can see currently the two car. So currently you can see on the screen the two car gets parked in the slot. So that's why on mobile application it is showing the red for that two slot. That means there are already two car parked in that slot. So if any car remove from that slot, parking slot, then thus here on the LCD it will show slot 1 empty. Also on the mobile application it will show green color. That means anyone can observe which slot is empty from his mobile application. Also we have the one application, like let's say if the two car park in the two slot, there is no empty slot, and if the third car come in front of ultrasonic sensor, then gate will be not open and gate will be not closed. That means there is a no slot for the next car. So that also one application. To send the data from the Arduino to mobile application, I use the internet, and to provide the internet facility for the to the Arduino, I use ESP8266 Wi-Fi chip, and the data transfer from the Arduino to mobile application by using MQTT protocol. So in this video we will completely learn how we can connect all this hardware with Arduino. Then we will see the program part of this project. So at the end of this video you can easily design and develop this project by yourself. Okay, so before start the next part, first we will see the practical demonstration of this project, then we will see the hardware connection, and then we will see the program part of this video. So I request you please watch this complete video. You can design and develop this project by yourself. No need to pay any single cost for this project. I have already provided the program. You can download the program from my website. The website link given in the description, and hardware I will explain in the video. So let's see the practical demonstration first of this project. Now let's see the practical demonstration of this project first. Now I will give the power. Once I give the power, then here it will show on the LCD like trying to connect the network. After that it will show trying to connect the MQTT broker. Then after that it will show calibrate the motor. Then after that our project start working. So these are the first initial steps of this project. So I will give the power. You can focus on the LCD. Now you can see it is showing on the LCD. Try to connect on the Wi-Fi. Then you are connected to Wi-Fi, then connected to broker, then motor calibration started. You can see started calibration. Okay, now you can see, let's assume that first car will become in front of this ultrasonic sensor. then gate will be open, and let's assume that first car will be parked in front of the slot 1. So you can see parking slot 1 turned to the red color, that means this slot is full. Now let's assume that second car will become in front of this ultrasonic sensor. Again gate will be open, and this car will be parked in front of the second slot. Then you can see slot 2 also full. Now let's assume that third car will become in front of this ultrasonic sensor. Now gate will be not open because already 2 cars gets parked into the slot. There is no empty slot for the third car. That means gate will be not open. Now let's assume that this car will be removed. Say first slot car will be go out from the slot 1. Now as soon as you go, you can see slot 1 is empty. Now gate will be open. Now this car will be parked in slot 2. You can see green color because slot 1, again red color because of slot 2 again parked. So you can see the complete project is working. Practical demonstration there. I hope you understand the complete project flow. Now we will see the hardware connection, and then we will see the programming part of this project. So let's see the hardware connection of this project. So you can see I have used Arduino Uno, and each Arduino Uno having the pin number. We will use that pin number as it is. So before connect all the hardware, very important part is you should have this type of circuit. This is nothing but very small circuit which having common pins. You can see common pins are there shorted. You can use breadboard also, you can use anything, there is no issue. By using this circuit we will use common VCC and common ground. So basically whenever I need the VCC I will take from this pin, whenever I need the ground I will take from this pin. There is no complicated circuit, it is just shorted, pins are shorted. You can see vertically. You can use breadboard also, there is no issue. So very first point is first connect common VCC and common ground pin. So first take the ground pin from the Arduino. So this is the ground pin from the Arduino and connect to the common ground here. So whenever I need the ground I will take from here. Then take the common VCC pin, then take the common VCC pin. So this is the common VCC pin, that is a 5V pin from the Arduino that should connected to common VCC point. So this is first step we have to do. Then later we have to connect the I2C module. So I2C LCD module having 4 pins at the back end, ground, VCC, SD and ACL. So each I2C LCD having its own address, I2C address. How to find that I2C address I have already explained in my I2C Arduino video. So please watch my I2C Arduino video to get more understanding about I2C LCD. The video thumbnail you can see on the screen. So first we will connect ground pin from this I2C LCD. So this is the ground pin from this I2C LCD that should connect it to common ground. Okay, then after that the VCC pin from the I2C LCD that should connect it to common VCC, that is 5V supply. So this is the 5V supply. Then after that SDA pin from this I2C LCD should be connected to second last pin of Arduino. So this is the second last pin of Arduino. Second last pin of Arduino should be connected to SDA pin. And last pin from this I2C LCD, that is ACL pin, should be connected to last pin of Arduino. It is very simple and easy circuit. So in this way we complete the I2C LCD with the Arduino connection. Very easy. First connect VCC to 5V, then ground to ground, then SDA pin should be connected to second last number pin of Arduino, and HCL pin should be connected to last pin of Arduino. So this is very easy and simple circuit. Now once you have the I2C LCD and the Arduino connection, then next is we will connect ESP8266 module. So how to connect this module? It is very simple. You can see hardware connection on the screen. Just follow that connection. So VCC pin from this ESP8266 should be connected to 3.3 voltage of Arduino. Okay, then ground pin from this ESP8266 should be connected to common ground. Then RX pin from this ESP8266 should be connected to 3 number pin of Arduino, and TX pin should be connected to 2 number pin of Arduino. So RX 3 number and TX 2 number. Very easy and simple circuit. Okay, so please follow this one and you can easily. And if you want to understand more about ESP8266 with Arduino, how to change the baud rate and everything, then please watch my ESP and Arduino video. The video thumbnail you can see on the screen. Then after that we will connect the IR sensor. So IR sensor you can see again having the 3 pin, one VCC, one ground, and one is out pin. Okay, so first connect the VCC pin. So I will put IR sensor here. So first connect VCC pin to common VCC, that is 5 volt. Then again ground pin should be connected to common ground. So this is the ground pin from this IR sensor, should be connected to common ground. Okay, then after that out pin should be connected to 4 number pin of Arduino. Okay, next is another IR sensor. So another IR sensor you can place here and having the same pin. So first connect VCC pin from the common VCC, that is 5 volt. Okay, and then ground pin from this IR sensor again connected to common ground. Okay, then output pin from this IR sensor should be connected to 5 number pin of Arduino. Okay, then after that we should connect the ultrasonic sensor having 4 pin, VCC, trigger, echo, and ground. So very first point is first connect VCC pin. So this is the VCC pin that should be connected to common VCC. Then ground pin. So this is the ground pin. So ground pin should be connected to common ground. Then after that trigger pin. So this is the trigger pin that should be connected to 7 number pin of Arduino. And then echo pin. So this is the echo pin that should be connected to 8 number pin of Arduino. Okay, so very simple and easy circuit. Then last circuit remaining is servo motor. So last circuit is servo motor. I place servo motor here. Servo motor having 3 pins only. One is black is nothing but ground, orange is nothing but, or red is nothing but VCC, and yellow is nothing but output pin. So first connect the black pin, that should be common ground. Very easy. And then orange or red pin nothing but the VCC, and then output pin, that is yellow color pin, is connected to 6 number pin. In this way we complete the hardware connection. Just verify the VCC and common ground power supply, and then we will provide the power to verify our circuit is working or not. Okay, so first take the VCC pin from this IR sensor, should be connected to common VCC point. Yes, it is connected. Then ground pin from this IR sensor should be connected to common ground. Yes, connected. Then output pin should be connected to 3 number. Yes, connected. Sorry, 4 number. It is connected. Then VCC pin from the second IR sensor should be connected to common VCC. Yeah, connected. Then ground pin from this IR sensor should be connected to common ground. Yes, connected. Then output pin should be connected to 5 number. Yeah, connected. It is correct. So both circuits are correct. Then ultrasonic sensor VCC pin should be connected to common VCC. Yes, connected. Then ground pin should be common ground. Yes, connected. Then LCD ground pin should be connected to, this is the ground pin, should be connected to common ground, connected. VCC pin should be connected to common VCC, connected. Yeah, everything is okay. Now we will give the power supply. So from where you can give power supply? From here. So we use the USB to D type converter cable for the Arduino, and just plug the cable here. Okay, after you plug the cable, just give the power supply. Disconnect this USB to the laptop. Okay, code already uploaded. Just wait for some second whether we will check whether our LCD is working. Yeah, you can see LCD is working. Attempting to the Wi-Fi, so that means it is working. Now I will turn on my Wi-Fi from the mobile. So you can see on our screen the servo motor is continuously rotating. That means some connection is incorrect for the alternate sensor. So check the alternate sensor connection. So trigger pin should be connected to 7 number. So trigger pin I have connected to 8 number, that is by mistake. So trigger pin should be connected to 7 number, and servo echo pin should be connected to 8 number. So that connection is incorrect. So trigger pin, this is my trigger pin, should be connected to 7 number, and echo pin should be connected to 8 number. And then this is the ground pin, common ground. Okay, now again I will give the power. So it is working, connected to Wi-Fi, connected to broker, motor calibration started. Okay, project name, and now it is working. So ultrasonic sensor now it is working. I will give obstacle, then it is start rotating the servo motor. That means it is working. So sometimes you have to double check your connection as per the program. So like this condition, when the port is not calibrated, so you can see 2 LEDs getting on right now. So what you have to do, you have to adjust the port little bit, so that only one LED will turn on at the starting. So you can see now only one LED is getting turned on. That means when I give obstacle, that one another LED is getting on. So this calibration you have to do at the starting when you purchase the higher sensor. I hope you understand the complete hardware connection and the calibration process and connection, all this everything you have to adjust. Now we will see the programming part of this project. Okay, first we see the mobile application setting. So very important point is you should go to Play Store, then type here MQTT dashboard, then use this MQTT dashboard application. You can use any application like MQTT dashboard client also, MQTT dashboard, MQTT dash also, there is no issue. I use MQTT dashboard. Install this application. Okay, now open the application. So once you open the application, click allow. Okay, then click on plus button. So this is the plus button, you have to click this plus button, then click on plus button, give the any name here, let's say Rahul. Then after that you can give broker name. So broker name is broker.hyveemq.com. so this is the free broker, and then click on this save button. You can see, click on this save button. So once you click on this save button, wait for some time, broker gets connected, then click on plus, then click on toggle. So here is the toggle, click on toggle. Then here you can give name parking slot 1 status. Then you can deselect this, enable publishing, deselect this. Then my topic is RJ1. You can give your name topic, there is no issue. How to change the topic, that I will explain in the program. So currently my topic is RJ1. Then on value, that means here you can type on value. First is full, means car parking is full. Then click on this plus button, question mark. Then after that you can give color, red color, and then car. Then click on OK, like this. Click on here. Once you select car and all things, then same thing you can give for the off empty. Okay, then again here you can give green color and then car. So from here you can give green color, from From here you can select the car. So then click on OK. So whenever you if you want to understand the basic about MQTT, then I recommended please watch my MQTT video. I will not explain this part again and again here. So this full and empty is value, and this is the topic, what is value, what is topic, that I in detail explain in that video. Then again click on save button. So parking slot 1, again click on this edit. Here you can select this option, paint card background. This option you can select. Then again you can click on this question mark here. Again you can give green color and then again car and click on OK. And in this way you complete the first one. You can see parking slot 1. You can select this, click on duplicate, and again edit second one. You can give parking slot 2, and here topic is my for slot 2 is RJ2. Other things are same. Click on save. Now whenever I connected with the broker, when I give obstacles and everything, then it will show here the status. So this is the basic setting. So now what I will do, I will again, so whenever you want to run the project, first you open this application first, then you can give the power supply to your Arduino. So right now I will give the power supply, just check whether my application is working or not. Okay, now you can see here it is showing 0 second, 0 second. That means data is coming from the Arduino. And when I give the obstacle in front of Arduino, then it's showing the full parking slot 2 full. You can see color also change. And if you want to see the what value is coming, there is one other option in this app. You can select plus button again and give the text, and here you can give the text 1 or any name. You can select slot 1, and then here you can give the RJ1, the topic name, and just save. So once the slot 1, what is the value coming from the IR sensor, that is empty. Again for the same you can give duplicate here, edit, and here you can give slot 2, RJ2, slot 2, and slot 2 also coming empty. When I give the obstacle in front of both IR sensor, the value is coming full, you can see, and color is changing. So this one also you can verify whether you are receiving the full or empty value from the Arduino. So this is the basic setting that you have to do in your mobile application. I hope you understand the mobile application. I again request, if you want to understand detail about MQTT, then please watch my MQTT and Arduino video. Now we will see the program part of this project. Okay, now let's see the program part of this project. So very important part is you should download my program from my website link. The website link given in the description. So this program folder you have to download from my website link. Car parking system using MQTT protocol. Then open this one, and that will be the zip file. You have to unzip that one. Once you unzip that one, you will get this folder, this file. Then open that file in the Arduino software. Then once you open, you can see there are some library that you have to install: Arduino Crystal, Arduino Liquid Crystal, Arduino MQTT, then Servo, then Wire.h, and then ESP library. So how to install those library, that I already explained in my previous video. So very important part is this project is combination of many hardware. So you have to watch some video to understand in detail each and every hardware. So how to install those libraries, that I already installed. I already explained in my past video. So for MQTT protocol library, how to install that one, please watch my MQTT basic video. That video thumbnail you can see on the screen. Then liquid crystal.h, for that one you can see the I2C LCD video. The video thumbnail you can see on the screen. And this servo is inbuilt library. Then ESP also how to install, that I already explained in my MQTT client video, the video only. So you can watch that video. Then after that, whatever the library that we use, that imported here. Then after that, software serial.h. So in the software serial, we use the 2 and 3 number pin for the serial combination for the ESP model. That's why we use the 2 and 3 number here for the software serial. Then I2C, we use the 26, 27 number I2C address. So how to find the I2C address, that I already explained in my I2C video. Please watch that one. By default, that address 27. If that address 27 not works for you, then you can watch that video and change the address here. Then replace 27 by other number that you got from your LCD. Then password is my ID, then password of my Wi-Fi. Then you can give the Wi-Fi name and your Wi-Fi password here. Then broker name, you can see broker.hviq.com that we use. You can replace that broker by any other broker. Then port number as it is. Then topic is RJ1, initial message empty. RJ2 is second topic. For sensor 2, message is empty. IR1 we connected to the 4 number. IR2 we connected to 5 number. Then servo pin we connected to 6 number. Then trigger pin from the ultrasonic sensor we connected to 7 number. Then echo pin is connected to 8 number. So whatever the hardware connection that we use, that define here. So by using this program also you can identify which hardware where you have to connect. Okay. Then some variables are there that we use later. Then pin mode, we have to define each pin as input or output depending on the functionality. So trigger pin as output, echo pin as input, IR pin as input, and IR2 pin as a input, because those are sending the data to the Arduino. Trigger pin will send the data from the Arduino. So that's why output all are the input. Then for serial we use 9C00 baud rate. For ESP also we use 9C00 baud rate. In some cases your baud rate may be different for the ESP8266. How to change that baud rate, that I already explained in my basic ESP8266 video. Please watch that video. Try to change the baud rate if it is not connecting to your Wi-Fi. That baud rate should be 9C00. That video thumbnail you can see on the screen. That video you should watch and try to configure the ESP if baud rate is different. If not work, then only you can watch, otherwise no need to watch that video. Then first here check whether Wi-Fi shield is connected or not. Then on the LCD it will print no Wi-Fi connection if there is no shield. If Wi-Fi connected, then it will print on the LCD attempted to the connecting Wi-Fi. Once connection done, then it will show on the LCD you are connected to the network by using this line. Then below it try to connect the broker. If broker is not connected, then on the LCD it will show the broker fail and your program stop working. So if broker is not connected, then program stop working. If broker is connected, then on the LCD you will get connected to the broker. So these are some LCD messages that we are printing. Then servo pin, we started the motor calibration. So at the starting, motor will be turned on, then off, it will calibrate. For that one we use these lines of code. It just send the position like 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 on the motor, and it will motor rotate like this, and again this. So to send the position we use this logic. Servo pin, it is very simple. For loop we use, and my servo write function we will send the position one by one. Then motor calibration done, it will print on the LCD. Then our project name will print on the LCD. Then here main MQTT pole, that means whatever the broker that we use for the Arduino, it will allow from this line. Then here it will check the ultrasonic sensor distance. If the distance is less than 10 and parking 1 is empty or parking 2 is empty, any one of parking slot is empty, that means go into this loop and then open the motor position from this line and close the motor position from this line. It will open from this line, it will again close from this line. You can see there is a 5 to 116 and then 116 to 10. It's the reverse direction. You can change here 5 also, there is no issue. There is no issue. You can change 5. So 5 to 116 and 160 to 5, like this and like this position. Then if here it will check the IR sensor status. If the IR detected obstacle, if the IR detect the obstacle, then IR status will be low. Then parking 1 is full, message is our full. If there is no obstacle, then parking 1 is empty, message 1 is empty. Same for the IR2. If the obstacle is there, then parking 2 is full, message 2 is full. And if there is no obstacle, then it is empty. Then on the LCD it will print slot 1 status, slot 2 status. Then MQTT, it will send the message on the mobile application by this 6 line. Topic 1, message 1, topic 2, message 2. Very simple, and below is ultrasonic sensor logic. It is very simple code. So I hope you understand the complete idea behind this code and the hardware connection also of this project. After you install this all the library, just click on compile button. If there is no issue, then it will show the compilation done successfully. Okay, so you can see done compilation. Then after that you can plug your Arduino to here. Very important point is only one line code you have to change at your end. The password and the ID of your network and the password of your network. That's it. Then go to the tools, go to the board, select Arduino Uno, then COM5 Arduino Uno COM5, and click on upload button. So once you upload done, then your project start working. So this is very simple and easy program and project. I hope you understand. Very important point, don't forget to install all this library. How to install that I already explained in my previous video. Please watch that video. Try to install those library. Okay, so I conclude this project. I hope you understand, and if you like my content, please click on like button. Please subscribe my channel. Please support me. Thanks for watching this video.